Nature of bonding in organic molecule. First, we have discussed about localized bond. What is localized bond? The electron forming covalent bond present most of the time in space between two particular atoms. Such electron are localized electron and bond are a localized bond. So, such type of bonding in which the electron are shared only between two nuclei and localized bond. All type of sigma bond are localized bond. Pi bond may or may not be localized. We have discussed in example ethylene. In ethylene, we have seen there is sigma bond and pi bond. In sigma bond, carbon, these two carbon atom shared one electron. So forming covalent bond. So it is sigma bond and pi bond. In the pi bond, do not share another atom. So it can be localized because it cannot shifted to another atom. So in ethylene, sigma and pi are localized. So in ethylene, pi bond are localized in nature. Any molecule contain only localized bond are represented by single Lewis dot structure. Single Lewis dot structure हम localized bond के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. So some स्ट्रक्चर आर एज फॉलोज. कुछ स्ट्रक्चर दिए गए हैं उसको हम डिस्कस करेंगे. जैसे कि यहाँ पे दो हाइड्रोजन दिए गए हैं एंड टू हाइड्रोजन शेयर वन इलेक्ट्रॉन दैट इज सिग्मा बॉन्ड फॉर्मेट forming sigma bond forming. So in H2O that is HSO, 2 sigma bond forming. Similarly NH3 3 sigma bond forming. So all these are localized bond. Next, delocalized chemical bond. So in delocalized, if the electron forming covalent bond are not confined to the space between the two bonding atom, such type of bonding in which the electron are held between more than two nuclei called delocalized bond. Similar in localized bond, that is it for electron forming covalent bond in between two atom. In delocalized chemical bond, it is not confined between two atom. So it cannot held between two atom. So it can be more than two nuclei. So it is called delocalized bond. If the electron forming covalent bond are not confined to the space between the two bonding atom, in two bonding atom there are no confirmation of a covalent bond, so it is called delocalized bond. So it has more than two nuclei. In example, common example, that is benzene. In benzene, carbon atom, 6 carbon atom and 6 hydrogen atom are placed. In carbon and hydrogen, there is sigma bond are formed, and carbon formed sigma bond. That is, those are sp2 carbon. So in next we can see skeletons of delocalization of electron in benzene. In delocalization of benzene, the 6 pi electron, obviously 3 electron pair are delocalized over the ring. 6 कार्बन CS बॉन्ड्स आर 6 बॉन्ड. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे C और H दैट इज कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन के बीच एक जो बॉन्ड है वो 6 है. तो इसमें 6 सिग्मा बॉन्ड है और 6 सिग्मा बॉन्ड और 3 पाई बॉन्ड है. तो नेक्स्ट वी हैव सीन in molecule showing a delocalized chemical bond cannot represent by a single Lewis dot structure. In localized bond we have represent single Lewis dot structure, but in the delocalized bond we cannot represent by a single Lewis dot structure. So and this lead to the concept and phenomena of resonance. इस concept को हम phenomena और इस concept और phenomena को हम resonance कहते हैं. In VBT means valency bond theory. To represent a molecule with the chemical bonding, we write two or more Lewis structure and say that molecule is a resonance hybrid of this structure, and say that the molecule is a resonance hybrid of this structure. Benzene is a classical example of a delocalized chemical bond. जो delocalized chemical bond के लिए benzene एक example है, अच्छी example. Next, benzene is considered to be resonance hybrid of structure 1 and 2. Structure 1 and 2 in benzene, the structure is resonance hybrid. Resonance can be indicated by a double-headed arrow and a delocalization by circle. इसे हम समझ गए. तो structure 1 and structure 2 are called canonical form and contributing structure. यहाँ पे देखो ये structure 1 है and ये structure 2 है. ये एक ही structure है. अब दोनों नहीं समझे तो this is the first structure and this is the second structure. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे कि बेंजीन में यहाँ पे 3 पाई बॉन्ड है. तो 3 पाई बॉन्ड है वो थ्रू आउट द बेंजीन रिंग रिवॉल्व करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे किसी एक की जगह स्टेबल नहीं है. तो ये जो 3 है वो थ्रू आउट द रिंग रिवॉल्व करते हैं. तो यहाँ पे जो स्ट्रक्चर दिया गया है वो भी एक ही जैसा है. तो यहाँ पे ये जो बना है वो है रेजोनेंस हाइब्रिड. आप लोग समझ पाओगे. सन इसे